Gavana wa tene wa Murang'a na ekuirwo angikenda aria marakuruhanio na ngukumio ya ciringi milioni 140 riu ni makwamba kuhomoka mutitimurano uria makoretwo naguo na maabitha a ruhonge rwa kuhitana na ungumania EACC. Uhoro uyu umanite na itua riria rirakinyanirio ni mucirithania wa igoti rinene ria Murang'a muthenya wa ira Cecilia Githua uria urathanire ate kuirwo aya matibatie ni kuhingurirwo thitango thutha wa mawakiri ao matongoretio ni Ndegwa Njiru kuhanda cira wa kuria igoti rirugamia thitango cia ungumania kuri kenda aya.
The orders became effective immediately, and we took the honor to inform our learned friends through various mechanisms that an order had been issued. It tells you, Your Honor, that they had to swiftly move to arrest.
The matter before Murang'a High Court bears the press copy of the DPP's communique dated the 13th of April 2023, where all the accused persons in the charge sheets are present before this court are named.
No ona thegia wa riathanire riria igoti mutumia wa Wairie uria tabulikanite ta Jane Waigwe Kimani na muru wa nyina Mutura Kimani ni marokire guikio ngono ni maabitha EACC na makinyo igoti-ini ria ungumania Milimani guku Nairobi. No mucirithania Thomas Nziuki athana marekererio hatari na faini o yothe akiuga ati riathanire igoti ria Murang'a ritingiagararwo.
Na order rauga ati decision kana itua ria DPP na niwe kiongozi wa mashtaka iria yaandikirwe tariki 13 mweri wa uyu wa kana mwaka uyu wa 2024 ni arogamwe ni igoti ria High Court ya Nairobi ya Murang'a ni yauga ati decision is diagnosed to be implemented in any way, including charging the suspects.
6th and 7th accused persons now before the courts are hereby unconditionally discharged pending the hearing and determination of the two High Court cases.
Hindi ya guthikiririo gwa cira wa area ya igoti-ini riu mawakiri ya mwena wa thitango na EACC ni maremirwo ni gutariria kiria gicungireirie mahingurire area ya thitango igoti-ini riu o riria kuri na riathani ringi ria igoti.
These orders have been issued after the charge sheet was already been registered.
How are you able to tell? How are you able to tell?
Yes, sir. You just served in court.
You see, let me tell you, they are very serious issues to interrogate.
Muthenya wa ira Wairie na andu angi mugwanja ni marathitwo mekinye wabici-ini cia EACC guku Nairobi niguo macokie ciuria cia ngukumio ya ciringi milioni 140 mbeca cia kaunti ya Murang'a iria cirerikana cia ungumirio gatagati ka mwaka wa 2014 na 2016. No Wairie aratuma mawakiri yake aria maragire na kiriko na EACC ati Wairie angirokire gwikinya wabici-ini icio umuthi no riathanire igoti riroka mbere na uguo kumugitira.
Na andu aria maratuika ati ni manyitirite mithio no maundu ma procurement thiini wa thirikari ya county government ni governor wa Iria na mutumia wake na brother in law na makarega kuthitanga andu aria marivire mbeca na aria ma procure those goods kana services.
Cira uyu riu ukagwetwo tariki 23 mweri uyu turi riria Wairie na ekuirwo angi makamenya mwerekera wa kana ni maguthitangwo. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Kimani wa Ngũnjiri.